Hi colleagues, Nick Solquist, Industrial Officer with our union from the IEU with your Anglican bargaining team, and we've just come out of the latest Anglican SBU meeting. The big takeaways from the meeting today were we haven't had movement from employers on wages. They're sticking currently to their offer of 5%, 5% and 4%. We've asked them to reconsider and see if they can't find additional pay rises for our members. We've also put on the table a revised clause around workload, sending workload issues to the consultative committee and requesting that the employer provide written reasons if they can't follow any recommendations of the committee. This is now going to heads for consideration at their next heads meeting next week. So now's the time for you all to get involved. Speak to your heads over the coming days and let them know members in Anglican schools are looking for a better deal. Keep your eyes out for a more detailed briefing coming later in the week, and thank you for all of those that participated in our survey at the end of last week. Please don't hesitate to contact our office if you have any further questions. Thanks again.